Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying Out a Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out a product from a brand that I am not familiar with and I love trying out new to me makeup brands. This one is called Honey Jarret and I have here the Lip Sleeping Mask in Lemon Honey. And I got this in my January 2022 Ipsy glam bag. I was kind of bummed about how incredibly stingy and tiny this sample is for the fact that I paid $13 for that glam bag. They advertise you're supposed to get $50 worth of value, and I just was not seeing that in my bag this month. I do have that unbagging video up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet though. However, the full-size version of this lip sleeping mask is only $12, which for a lip mask is not too bad, and it sounds great. It has very high ratings on the Ipsy app. Ooh, and I do feel like lemon honey is a unique scent for the lip masks that I've tried at least, and I've tried out a lot of lip masks. I really love them. They help me with my dry, extremely chapped lips so much. I actually do use a lip mask every night and morning. And you can probably tell my lips are very chapped right now. So even though they say to apply this at night, I'm going to apply some right now to see if it really can heal my super chapped lips right now. So I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I was going to say I'm just going to pick up a little bit on my finger, but this is very soft, very jelly. I was expecting it to be more solid, but I just lightly pressed my finger into this and picked up a lot. So it's a softer, more gel-like texture than I'm used to in a lip mask. So let's see how it is as I apply it to my lips now. Oh, this lemon honey scent though is so nice. Wow. This is immediately moisturizing. Within a split second, like the second it touches my chapped lips, the chapped areas are completely gone. And that is what I want to see. It feels like so many lip products that claim to be super moisturizing and hydrating really just coat over the chapped areas in my lips. But this immediately, completely transformed and healed and moisturized my very dry chapped lips. They were so dry that I would not have been too surprised if it didn't completely moisturize my lips, but it absolutely did. It also smoothed out my lips and is making them look immediately plumper and this beautiful shine. So you really only need a tiny bit of this. So even though I only got a tiny little bit in this sample, I think I'll be able to get a bunch of uses out of this. And I definitely will use this as an overnight sleeping mask, but I love this as like a lip gloss, a lip balm, a lip oil, whatever I want to compare this to, because I love this just as a anytime enhance the lips type of product, because my lips look so good right now. The shine, the smoothness, the moisture. Wow. So this is definitely a product I want to show off and I want to wear during the day. And it's not too sticky on my lips at all. Like, it feels like a really nice lip product to wear throughout the day. I mean, I keep looking at my lips in the mirror here. They look so good. I may actually save this to wear during the day when I'm going out. Well, now I'm always wearing a mask when I'm out, but when I'm actually going to be showing my lips out in public, this is what I want to have on my lips because it is just so beautiful. So if you have chapped lips, I highly recommend this. Like I was saying before, I've tried out so many lip masks and so many lip products, but this still just blew me away. I love it. I had heard great things from you all in the comments about this on my unbagging video, and oh my gosh, I completely agree. It is so good. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this, what you think of it. I would be so surprised if someone does not love this. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.